Oh boy.
Hey guys, this is Sheetal here.
My god, this is so heavy.
Ta-da!
Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is gonna be super awesome.
Cause it's Sunday, fun day.
Yes, and to make it even more special, I am back with a new product that is something completely different, guys. This is not the usual stuff that I do on our channel. Thing is, this brand called as Agaro has sent us a foot massager and wanted us to review their product.
Foot massager, I always wanted one.
Yeah, but thing is, these foot massagers are not made for people like of our age. They're made for like elder people, middle-aged people who have like foot problems, pain in their calf muscles, and these sort of stuff. And guys, today in this video, we're gonna unbox and I'll be giving like complete feedback on this product, and I'll show you how this thing actually works. And this can be actually useful for a lot of you people because everybody has these sort of problems at their home, right? Especially for grandmas, grandpas, or maybe your parents also. So this can be quite useful. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First, what I'll do is I'll show you a closer look on the box packaging and I'll tell you about the product details, and then we'll get started with the unboxing. So guys, this is the box packaging of our foot massager. As you can see, we've got the Agaro branding and it says foot and calf massager over here. We even have a picture of the product on the front side. Now there is no specific name for this product, but it has a model number and says 33159. It's a massive box, guys, and easily weighs around like 10 to 11 kgs. And that's it. There is nothing much written on the box packaging. Oh, over here you can see that what this foot massager actually does. Like, it promotes blood circulation, it relieves fatigue and helps in muscle relaxation. So that is pretty much it, guys. A brief explanation about the product. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just tear this package, and I'm like super excited to see how this foot massager looks like.
Me too.
And here we go. Oh my god, this is a massive foot massager. I was not expecting it to be this huge. Let me just take it out of the package. Oh boy.
एकदम
क्या बम जैसा फूटा नहीं. So there you go, guys. This is how Agaro's brand new foot and calf massager looks like. This is a brand new 2021 model which they launched recently and comes with some improvements over the previous edition. So along with the foot massager, looks like we've got a user manual over here. Just make sure to read this for complete details on how to use it, because it's got like a couple of different modes. You've got auto modes on it, manual modes on it, and lots of controls available on it, which I'll be telling you at a later part in the video. Keeping this manual aside, you get a mains cord as well, the regular mains cord to power on this foot massager, and that is pretty much it, guys. And here is our actual product, Agaro's foot and calf massager. This is a massive foot massager. You can see the size in comparison to me. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly give you an overview on the foot massager and show you what do we have on this massager. So talking about the design, this foot massager from Agaro has a very traditional kind of design which you would see on most of the foot massagers in the market. And talking about the build quality of the product is very good, entirely made of high quality plastic, and it's actually available in two different colors, black and white. We have the white color edition and looks very attractive. Now to the left you can observe that it even has these slots over here, so you can easily hold it like this and carry the foot massager anywhere, maybe between different bedrooms and stuff like that. Now on the bottom side you can observe that the massager also has these plastic stands actually, so that it won't scratch your floor or any sort of surface you place on it. And going to the top side, you got the Agaro branding over here, and these two compartments are where you'll be placing your legs. So this is a foot massage section and this is a calf massage section. I'll be talking about the massage options and available modes in a moment. So let me just turn it around and show you what do we have on all the sides. There's nothing over here except the handle to lift it. And going to the back side, this is where you'll need to connect your mains cord, and then you've got a power switch just below that. So that is pretty much it on the oh, wait a second, at the top side is where you got the actual control panel, guys. So from here you can power on the foot massager and use between different foot massaging modes. You've got auto and manual. The foot massager actually has a couple of predefined auto modes that also I'll be talking about in a moment once we power on the foot massager. And there's actually a 7-segment kind of classic display and some status LED indicators. There's one more good thing I forgot to mention. The foot massager also has an angle adjustment option. So this is the regular position which is like parallel to the ground, and if you lift it like this, there's actually a rod over here which you need to pull like this, so that you'll get like a 45-degree comfort angle. This will be like very comfortable when you sit on sofa and maybe on a chair, and you can just relax, sit backside and get your massage done for your legs. So talking about this section, well, this is a compartment where you'll need to place your legs to experience the actual massage, and the compartment is quite spacious. It can easily accommodate any leg size, not an issue. And if you talk about the fabric quality, fabric material they've used is also nice, and good thing over here is this material is actually removable. You can just unzip it like this and you can regularly wash it and keep it hygienic. So that is one plus point. And if you can actually place your hand over here, you can actually feel there are a couple of rollers and different sort of stuff over here. As I've told you, this foot massager can do like kneading massage and also has bi-directional rollers that will offer you like a different type of massage options, and it will greatly relieve your muscle tension and relax your legs. So that's it. What I'll do is I'll just quickly power on this foot massager and show you the different modes available on it. Alright guys, so our foot massager is all set up and good to go, and before I actually power it on and show you the different modes available on it, one thing I have to mention is the length of this mains cord is a bit less. It's only around like 1 or 1.5 meters and it won't reach my switchboard over there, so I have to use an extension box to power this thing on. So Agaro, if you guys are watching this video, please increase the length of this mains cord. This is not sufficient because everybody has different positions for their switchboards at their homes, right? So it can be a bit difficult using the product. So let me just power it on. So there you go. As soon as you power it on, the foot massager has booted up. I'll give you a closer look at this panel also and show you how it looks like. But before that, let me just put my legs in this foot massager and power this thing on, and I'll be sharing like my feedback, experience, and I'll also explain the different modes available on this massager. So here's the control panel of the foot massager, placed at a very convenient position. You can easily access it even after placing your legs in it. And over here guys, you've got a couple of buttons and also 2 displays and some status LED indicators. And the first thing you need to do as soon as you put your legs in it is just press this power button, and as soon as you do that, the foot massager starts automatically massaging your legs just like this. So by default, when you power it on, the massager turns on in auto mode. As you can see, it displays auto status LED over here and is basically in the foot and calf massage mode. Now here, using this auto button, you can switch between the P1, P2 and P3 modes, which are nothing but the levels of pressure. P1 stands for low, P2 stands for medium, and P3 stands for the maximum pressure applicable. And if you want to switch to the manual mode, you can do that by pressing this button. See, in the manual mode, you can manually select which type of massage you want, like whether you want foot and calf massage, or you want dedicatedly calf massage, or you want dedicatedly foot massage. So that is it guys. These were the easy controls, and that is how basically you can use this massager. So finally, time to put this massager to action. Let me just put my legs on it, power it on, and share my experience, like how does it feel. So as soon as you power it on, I've told you, right, it powers on in the auto mode and automatically starts massaging all the sections of the leg like foot and calf. And by default, it's in the lowest pressure mode, which is P1. And I feel it's quite perfect for my legs. I don't need to increase the pressure. And one thing I have to say is, since it's got that 45-degree angle adjustment, right, I feel it's quite relaxing. Otherwise, you would have to like sit like this position. Now it's much better. I would have preferred to have a little more angle adjustment also, but anyways, this is fine than the regular position. Okay. Oh
wow. You're using it?
yeah.
How does it feel?
It actually kind of tickles at the beginning, but once you get used to it, now it feels actually very nice.
Wow. Even I want to try.
You'll get your chance, but wait, I'm experiencing like different kind of stuff happening in my leg.
Yeah.
It actually feels like somebody's holding my legs and massaging at different areas.
Oh.
Feels quite realistic. there's a lot of action happening in the calf area as well. Like it's holding the muscles over there and doing these sort of relaxation kind of effects.
Does it feel good?
It does feel good.
Now I want to try it.
You'll get your chance, but see, first let me tell you, this is not actually made for kids like us or even youngsters.
Yeah.
It's mainly targeted for like middle-aged people or elderly people like your parents, grandparents who have a bit of pain in their legs and calf muscles. It can greatly help them relieve their muscle stress and muscle tension and can relax their feet.
Yeah. I bet mom's gonna love this.
Yeah. So guys, by default, it works for almost like 15 minutes
15
as soon
minutes.
as you power it on, and you can even override it to the manual mode and apply different modes as per your requirements. So that is pretty much it, guys, like our complete overview and features brief of this foot massager from Agaro. This thing costs around like 9,500 rupees, and it's available on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that, you can check it out there. My only few feedback to the brand would be, I felt the main cord of this product is very short and it can be a bit problematic if your switchboard is not close to this machine, and I would advise the brand to increase the length. And the second thing is, these stickers on the product were coming off, so the gumming on that is not good. So these were the only two things I felt while using the product. So that is pretty much it, guys, our video on this product. If you all enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.
Bye.